Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Mississippi Girl Life Country Girl Prepper. Okay, so y'all, I got a Dollar Tree haul for y'all today. Okay, something to put in the emergency pantries, a couple things that I picked up. Today is, I am batch recording today. Okay, so you may get a lot of videos that I am in the same clothes. Y'all know how this go, but I got a lot of new people on the channel too that may not be, you know, aware of how I do things over here. So batch recording, I do that to help myself out, have a lot of stuff. I try to always put the date and say the date verbally, or the date that I'm filming this, but sometimes I do forget to. Okay, so that's why you may see me with the same clothes, the same look, and all that good stuff. All that good stuff. And something that I have been forgetting to do is give y'all the earrings and the lipstick of today. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, then we're gonna get into the video. So this is for the ladies. Okay, so I am wearing a red eyeshadow, okay, a little bit of black mascara. I outline and study with my brown pencil. I use my black pencil because I have on red and black today. Okay, I do not do any foundation or anything like that. This is just my eyes and my lips. Okay, and I use the lipstick called Eternal. Yes, that's the name of the one I'm using today. Okay, so, and then I put a little bit of my lip oil on top. Okay, that is it. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and I am gonna turn y'all down. I am in my tiny home slash outdoor cooking area. All right, yes, I love it out here, and I do have, let me see, I'm trying to get this to come down and just don't want to do right. All right, let's see. I got it down that way, but my thing don't want to do right, y'all. Look, this is raw and uncut. All right. So yeah, so let's see, get y'all can see what's going on. All right, so right here I did go and pick up a couple things at the Dollar Tree. All right, so I have a lot of regular corn, okay, sweet corn, but I did not have no cream style corn. So I went on and got what is this, 8, 9, 10 cans of cream style corn. All right, then I got, well, let me just go ahead and say, and these don't expire till May 28, 2027. All right, and today, did I even say what today's date is? Today is April 20th, 2025. Okay, April 20th, 2025. But these will be good past the expiration date. We already know that. Okay, sorry about the lighting in here, y'all. Some areas may look a little dark because I do have my curtain down. I have my curtain down here and over here, and I just have two sides up right now. It is cool in here, y'all, and it was so hot today. Okay, but yes, I got 10 cans of the cream style corn, sweet corn, cream style. Then right here I got 2 cans of the tomato and okra, and corn. Okay, so I got 2 cans of that. And then I picked up 3 cans of the sliced beets. Okay, and this do not expire until December 28, 2026, but go so much past the expiration date, years past the expiration date. These right here, expiration date is August 21st, 2027. All right, and then last but not least, I did pick up some gluten-free spaghetti. Yeah, anytime I can get gluten-free, I do that, because I told y'all about how I am with gluten. It's a hit and miss. Okay, it's a love and hate situation with gluten. Okay, so anytime I can find it. So yeah, the Dollar Tree for $1.25, So Natural gluten-free spaghetti. Okay, now I haven't used this particular one, okay, but yeah, so I ended up getting 5 bags of that to throw into the emergency food pantry, the purple pantry, whatever you want to call it. And just like that, that's a couple of items that I picked up to add to the stash. And that's what I want to tell y'all. You do not have to spend a lot of money to, you know, at a time. Now I feel like it's getting to the it's past the time now where we need to be getting as much as we can. Okay, now a couple years ago I'd be like, look, get a little bit at a time, get a little, even though, okay, we still need to have a little bit of urgency, all right, with getting stuff. But now it's we need to get stuff. But I don't want to cause nobody to panic or be scared or this, that, and the other. But you see everything that's going on. Let's what's happening, what we see going on, be kind of like our fuel to say, hey, okay, now I need to up it. Back then I probably could get 2 or 3 items from the store. Now let me just focus on getting 5 things that I can from the Dollar Tree, okay, or the clearance section that's marked down, or whatever the case may be. So because it's it's crazy out there, okay, it's crazy. So yeah, these are the things that I got 1, 2, 3, well, this what 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 20, 15 plus 5, 20. So I got 20 items at $1.25 each. And let me tell you, that quarter, as y'all know, it adds up. It adds up. And you know, if you saw the video that I had did about my Dollar Tree, okay, my Dollar Tree in my area, stuff that's $1.50, $1.75, $2, $3. Like I said, we knew the $5 and the $3 when they moved it up after the stuff went to $1.25. Now they incorporate, they just need to take Dollar Tree from the being the title, because it's not dollar it's not dollar anything, all right, unless you go there and find when they had a little sale on the Viennas that say 90 cents or something. That's every blue moon or whatnot, you know. So I know for here in my area. So yeah, they just need to take the Dollar Tree out of it and just call it the discount store or something, because it's no longer Dollar Tree, okay. I don't even know why they keeping that. It's not Dollar Tree, all right. Unless they saying, well, no, because you can't even say that. You can't even say everything is based off like in dollar increments, like $1, $2, $3, because you got stuff $1.50, $1.25, $1.75. Yeah, so but that's my little items that I got. I hope this was encouraging. I hope it was motivational, inspirational, all that good stuff. I hope it gave you a little bit of ideas. You know, you may be like, oh, I ain't think about getting tomato, okra, and corn in the can. Let me grab some of that or put it on my list. Or I got a lot of, you know, sweet corn, but I ain't got no cream corn. Let me get that. That's what these are for. Give you ideas, motivate you, all that type of stuff. Sliced beets. You may be like, oh, I like beets and I didn't even think about that. Well, next time you see some beets, get you a couple cans of beets. Normally, well, I mean, notice that I got only 3 cans of it. I got what I needed the most. And you know, when I go back, I can grab 3 more cans of it and grab 3 more cans or 2 more cans of the tomato, okra, and corn, and it'll build up. But you know, before that stuff go up to being $1.50, $1.75, especially at the rate that they took it up, you might want to get it, okay? You might want to get it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And thank y'all so much for enjoying the tiny home, living off grid down setup that I have out here. I love it. I love it. And like I say, y'all, I can sleep right out here. Give me a cot and I can sleep right out here. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so yeah, so thank y'all so much. I hope that video was helpful, give you some ideas on something you can do and have a shelter, you know, with you know. If you haven't watched that video, make sure you go and watch my tiny home video tour. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Okay, love y'all. Stay Lord, what's the word I'm trying to say? Vigilant. stay vigilant when you're out. Know your surroundings, and you know, yeah, just watch, because people are doing some crazy stuff. Okay, love y'all, and I'll talk to y'all in the next one if it's God's will. Mwah. Bye.